guys, this is me, Justin Kia. Nel de la Cruz is back again. So, pag-uusapan po natin kung paano matanggal ang mga stress. Number 1, paglalakad. Then, nakakapag-relax siya. At same, exercising your body is good for your health. And so dancing as well. So you can hear the sound, the fucking sound here behind me because there are many Sumbaleras there, and you know, to even to exercise and burn fat, and this is good for your health, and it is not so it's not so very it's not very hard. But the number two, or second for me is planting. So you can see this is the back of the church, and this is what I like to see every my videos. And number 1 is photography, that it cannot, I said in my previous videos, it cannot waste time, and this is if you try to do it, and I will help you to shoot a beautiful sunset photo. So just watch at my channel and subscribe for helping me. Thank you.